A very good morning, Standard 6th. So here I am with the tutorial of lesson number 1 of your mathematics, that is knowing our numbers. We have done this chapter. It is just a short revision so that you don't forget and you are able to do all the sums wisely and correctly, right? But before that, with me, you're gonna open your books. Open your books, page number 12, because I'm going to start from there. That is exercise number 1.1. This exercise is completely based on Indian numeration of system and international numerations of system. You know, Indian numeration of system we have done. In Indian numerations of system, we have got table as ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Right? You can speak with me. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Then we have lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Fine? Okay. So why I have put these columns like to tell you. Okay, I will write a number here. See, I have written 2, 5, 0, 6, 3, 9 and 8. Now I will tell you how we read this number. This is 25. We read these numbers together. 25 lakh. 6,398. So if you are asked to write this number, you will write 25 lakh, 25 lakh, lakh, 6,000 thousand and 398. Fine? So this was how you will write these numbers into the words. How you are going to read from this table. Okay. If you are asked to put commas for these numbers, it is again very simple. It is 2506398. And just read. This division gives us the placement of commas. This is 1, 2, 3, then a comma. 1, 2, then a comma. 1, 2, then a comma. So let me tell you, in Indian system of numeration, how we put commas. We count from the back 3 digits and put a comma. Then 2 digits, then put a comma. Then 2 digits and put a comma. Fine? I hope this is very much clear to you. Have a look at the board. Okay. Now you can see onto the board the next topic is international system of numeration. This is also we have done. And when we talk about millions and billions, it is international system of numeration. And when we talk about thousands and lakhs and crores, it is Indian numeration of system. Right, children? Okay. So let me read it for you once. Read with me rather. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. And then we have million, 10 million, 100 million. Then we have billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. I'm sure you know this table and you just need a revision. Okay. So if I will write the same number here, it is 398. Okay. Then we have 0, 6. Then we have 5 and 2. So now when we are going to read it, we will read it as 2,506,398. Is it okay? If it is suppose 72, what I will read? 72,506,398. If it is 372,506,398. So international system of numeration has a comma system after every 3 digits, as you can see. So if you want to place commas in between these numbers, first we need to write this number and then 1, 2, 3 put a comma. 1, 2, 3 put a comma. 1, 2, 3 and that is it. I am sure you must have understood these two. Now again have a look at it and just revise it. Okay students, now let us see exercise 1.1 and the question number 1 is, the question says fill in the blanks and we have got like comparison. 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. For this, what you need to do is you need to write 1 lakh. So let us write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Fine, I have written lakh. Then 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Right? So now what you will do, count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will cut 4 zeros. And here also we will cut 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is left? 10. So it is 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. This is how you are going to compare. Whatever the number has been told you, write it in digits. And then cut the zeros from the back. And you will get the answer. Okay. Now let us talk about question number 2. Question number 2 is place commas correctly and write the numerals. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हमने बताया, हमने थोड़ी देर पहले पढ़ा है ना, हमने उन नंबर्स को प्लेस वैल्यू टेबल पे लिखना है and then we will put commas according to that. So this complete exercise is based on this. Let us talk about exercise 1.2. Okay, this is also so very easy. Exercise 1.2 में we have number of problem statements. अब when you read the statement, what you need to do is you just need to read it well and understand what is being told. Okay, the question number 1 is a book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on first, second, third and the final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets. Now आपको क्या, अगर मैं बोलती हूँ कि आज आपको मैंने 2 चॉकलेट्स दी, कल मैंने आपको 5 दी, then I have given you 2 again and then I have given you 3 again. So how many toffees or chocolates I have given it to you? What you are going to do? You will add all the things, right? 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2. Yes, this is how एक टिकट बुक एग्जीबिशन में इतनी बुक सोल्ड हुई फर्स्ट डे में, सेकेंड डे में इतनी, थर्ड डे में इतनी एंड फोर्थ डे में इतनी. तो यू विल फाइंड आउट द टोटल. ओके, आई विल डू दिस सम फॉर यू. द नंबर ऑफ टिकट्स सोल्ड एट द काउंटर. सो इट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. नंबर ऑफ टिकट्स, TICKETS, tickets sold first day, second day, third day and then we have fourth day. So we have got 4 days and we are supposed to add the number of tickets sold on all these 4 days. Number 1 is 1094 and second is 1812. See, we are supposed to write always from the back. And the third is 2050 and the fourth is 2751. And what you need to find? The total number of tickets sold. So total, and for total we always do addition. It is 4 plus 2 plus 1. What will be? 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 1 11 and 9 20. 0 carry 2. Now my dear students, you are big enough, you will not write here. You will keep it in your fingers. 8 plus 2 10 and 10 plus 7 is 17 carry 1. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6 and 1 7. So what is the total number of tickets sold? 7707. I hope I am very much clear. Please have a look at the board. Okay, similarly question number 2 says Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6980 runs. एक फेमस क्रिकेट प्लेयर है जिसने कितने रन स्कोर किए? 6980. इतने रन उसने स्कोर किए. फाइन. In a test matches, he wishes to complete 10,000. लेकिन उसको क्या लगता है, उसको कितने करने हैं, 10,000। तो कितने और रन ही नीड्स टू स्कोर, हाउ मेनी मोर रन्स, कितने और रन्स उसको स्कोर करने हैं। छोटा सा एग्जांपल, लाइक यू हैव गॉट 91 in your mathematics exam, fine, but you wanted कि it should not be less than 95, तो आपको कितने और नंबर चाहिए, क्या करोगे, 95 में से 91 को माइनस करोगे, है ना। वैसे उसको 10,000 रन्स बनाने थे एंड इतने उसने बनाए, तो उसको और कितने रन्स बनाने हैं, yes we will subtract and you will write the statement. I hope you are very much clear with exercise 1.2. All the sums are similar in a similar fashion and we have already done. Please revise it. Okay, then let us move to exercise 1.3, and in this exercise 1.3 we read about estimation and round off. Round off हमने किस किस नंबर से करा, by 10. So let me show you how do we round off by 10. So I write a number 48, इसको हमने राउंड ऑफ करना है 10 से, फाइन। तो 1's पोजीशन एंड 10's पोजीशन, फर्स्ट वी विल से 10 में कितने जीरोस हैं, ओनली 1 जीरो, सो वी विल राइट अ जीरो, यू विल लीव लाइन हियर बिकॉज यू नीड टू डू सम एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन फॉर दिस, तो आप एक लाइन छोड़ के लिखेंगे इसको, वी विल राइट जीरो बिकॉज 10 में कितने जीरोस हैं, 1। नाउ यू हैव टू चेक दिस नंबर, इफ the number at 1's position is greater than 4. I'm repeating. If the number at 1's position is greater than 4, we need to add plus 1 to the next number. It will become 5. So round off of 10, 48 का round off क्या होगा, 50. Okay. If it is 43 or say 93, okay, I say 93, fine, 93. Now I have to round off, so first number it will be 0 because I have to round off by 10, and I will check this number, this is 3 which is less than 4, so I will not do any addition over here, and I will copy the same number. So round off of 93 is 90, fine. Similarly we will do round off by 100, round off by 100. Now let me write a number 7328. Okay, I want to do it by 100, so 100 has two zeros, so last two digits will be 0, and now I am going to check this number, this is 2 which is less than 4, I will not do anything, I will just copy these numbers as it is. So round off by 100. So this is your answer. Okay. Now, if it is 6928, it is not 28, 288. Okay. So last two digits, of course, 0, and I am going to check this number. And this is plus 1. Why? Because it is greater than 4. So I will do plus 1. So 9 plus 1, 10, 0 carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So after rounding off by 100, we got the number 7. Clear? Similarly, if we will do the round off by 1000. Suppose I wrote a number 3628. 1000, 1, 2, 3 zeros. And I am going to check this number. This is 6, greater than 4. So I will do plus 1. So it will be 4, 0, 0, 0. Or you can write 4 here only. Fine? Understood? So you have understood the rounding off. Now we have done general rule. If it is talking about a general rule, let me tell you what does general rule means. Okay. See the two numbers, you have to add two numbers using general rule of estimation. It is 28 plus 342, no 3421. अब जब जनरल रूल आप अप्लाई करोगे माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज, अगर आप इसको टेंस के साथ राउंड ऑफ कर रहे हो तो इसको भी आपको टेंस के साथ ही राउंड ऑफ करना पड़ेगा, और rather you should do like that. I will round off by 10. Round off by 10. So first digit will be 0, and yes, of course, this is greater than 4, so plus 1, it is 30, plus again the first digit will be 0 and this is 1, so no change. We will write the same number. So the answer would be 0, 3 plus 2, 5, 4, 3. Have you understood? Okay. Similarly, if it is addition, you will do addition this way. If it is subtraction, you are going to do the subtraction this way. If it is like multiplication, you will do multiplication like this. Let me take a sum. Okay, I will take it from your book. Question number 3, A part. It is 578 multiplied by 161. So my dear children, look at the numbers. We can do the estimation of 10. We cannot do of 100. We can do of 100. है ना? 10 का भी कर सकते हैं, 100 का भी कर सकते हैं. So we will always do the bigger one. So round off by 100. So 2 digits will be 0. And when we will check 7, it is greater than 4. So 5 के साथ एक plus करेंगे. So it will be 6. Multiply it. Again here 2 zeros. Yes, of course 6 is greater than 4. So it will be 2. Now your multiplication has become so easy. How? 6 twos are, you multiply these two numbers. 6 twos are 12. And how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And this is your answer. Okay? By this, we are over with the chapter. And I hope you have understood. Please do revise. Do all the sums. And again, if you have problem, let us talk in our live classes. Okay? Good day. Bye-bye.